Whisky Sour Milkyway. Yeah. Oh, Whisky Sour premix ready to go. Fif- 50 mil, 60 mil, whatever is your choice. So let's pour in something sweet. My favorite, fish schnapps. Give it a sweet taste and flavor. Couple of drops. Yeah, got it. I go put some ice in the ice. So we have the ice on it. So go shake, shake, shake. We are ready with the booty well shake. Here, go. Pour it. Pour and leave some space for Whisky Sour premix ready to go. Here we are. Where we go? Moonwalk ready. Let's give it a little orange. Why not cherry as well? So, are we ready for moonwalk? So, here is Whisky Sour Cocktail Milkyway. If you have liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching